Myself Bhanath Rahul. Today I am going to explain about exploiting big data's benefits. Introduction to big data. Big data refers to extremely large data sets that requires advanced tools for processing. Exploiting big data benefits can lead to significant competitive advantages. This presentation explores how organizations can harness big data effectively. These are the benefits of big data: decision making, recommendation engine, price optimization, greater innovation, education, healthcare. In these fields, the big data will be helpful. This consists of big data. Big data involves strategically harnessing vast amount of structured and unstructured data to create value set. Break down how to effectively exploit its benefits across different areas. Enhanced decision making, real time insights, predictive analysis, evidence based strategies. Real time insights, big data analysis enables companies to make decisions based on up to date information. Starting up to date information. Predictive analytics, anticipate future trends and customer behaviors using historical data patterns. Evidence based strategies, replace gut feelings with data driven insights for improved outcomes. What is big data? Big data encompasses volume, velocity, and variety of data. It includes structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data sources. Now I told structured, semi-structured, unstructured data sources. It includes understanding these characteristics is crucial for effective data strategy development. Improved operational efficiency, process optimization, predictive maintenance, supply chain management, real time tracking and demand forecasting lead to better inventory control, better customer insight, personalization, sentiment analysis, customer segmentation. Personalization, use customer data to tailor marketing, products, recommendations, and user experiences. Sentiment analysis, understand public perceptions through social media, reviews, and feedback analysis. Customer segmentation, cluster users into detailed profile for target campaigns. Key benefits of big data: enhanced decision making through data driven insights, improved operational efficiency and cost saving, innovations in product, services, and customer experience, innovations and new revenue streams, product development, data monetization, business model transformation. Product development, use market to identify gaps and trends for new product services. Data monetization, sell or share anonymized data with patterns or marketplaces. Business model transformation, shift from traditional model to data as a service or subscription based services. Big data in business strategies, integrating big data analysis aligns with strategic business goals. It enables predictive modeling and trend analysis. Strategies use of big data can open new revenue streams. Data driven customer insights, analyzing customer data helps personalization marketing efforts. Customer behavior patterns can be identified for better targeting. Enhanced customer satisfaction leads to increased loyalty. Competitive advantage, market trends spotting, identifying emerging trends, faster competitors. Compliance and security, regulatory reporting, automated compliance document, and improved accuracy. Data lineaging, traceability, use big data to track where data comes from and how it used, where the data it is coming, which sources, and how it is used. That's the data lineage and traceability. key enabler for Key enabler for exploiting big data: cloud computing, machine learning and AI, data governance, skill talent. In cloud computing, scalable storage and processing power, data governance, and machine learning and AI for pattern recognition and automation. Data governance ensures quality and privacy compliances. Skilled talented data scientists, engineers and analysts and essentials. Introduction to big data. Big data, massive volume of data, structured or unstructured. Fives: volume, velocity, variety, varicity, value. These are the five things in the big data. Big data important, helps derive insights, make better decision and improve performance. Core benefits of big data: enhanced in decision making, improved operation efficiency, better customer insights, innovations and revenue streams, risk management, fraud detection, competitive advantages. Enhanced data decision decision making, real time analysis, it means faster response, predictive models, future trends, data driven culture in organizations. Example: retailer adjusting pricing based on buying trends, what they are buying now. With that only they can create some insights. Operational efficiency, process automation through data, predict maintenance in factories, streamlined supply chains. Example: Amazon using real time logistics, data for driven optimization. Customer insights, how we can create or find the customer insights. It means understanding customer behavior and preference, what they are preferring. First we have to observe and analysis from the customer and create some insights. Personalizing of product services, targeting marketing campaigns. Example: Netflix recommending shows based on viewing data, which they are which movie or which series they are seeing again and again, what's the trend now, which will be running in the market, which will be trending in the market, that will be checked in the Netflix. Innovations and revenue, new product development based on user data. Monetizing data insights as a service, data driven business model transformation. Example: Uber, you can see Uber using data to optimize routes and dynamic pricing. Based on the routes only, in the Rapido only you see, based on the routes only the price will be decreases. If one way to reach the destination, there are different ways to reach, but in some areas some traffic will be there, in some areas does not will, traffic will not there. So which we have to choose, we have to choose for better, there is no traffic in the way, that only we can choose, then only we can go fast to the destination. So for that also we can find the trends and create some insights. Optimizing operation with big data, real time analysis improves supply chain management, predictive maintenance reducing downtime and cost, data insights streamline workflow and resource allocations. Risk fraud management, real time fraud detection. Example: banking, create scoring using alternative data. Compliance automation. Example for this: banks use ML to flag unusual transactions. Competitive advantages of big data. Faster decision making, the competitors trend spot before others. Data as strategic assets. Example, Zara using sales data to adjust inventory weekly. Technologies behind big data. Cloud computing, AWS, Azure, machine learning and AI, IoT devices, data lake and warehouses. The challenges and considerations: data privacy and security, data quality and governance, skilled workforce requirements, cost of infrastructure. Futures of big data: integration with AI and Gen AI, automated decision making, expenses in healthcare, education, and agriculture, enhancing product development. Big data provides feedback for continuous product improvement. It uncovers unmet needs and market gap. Data driven innovations accelerate time to break. You can see in the image market trends, predictive maintenance, advanced analytics, AI and ML insights, data driven decision making, design optimization, development optimization. Challenges in exploiting big data. Data privacy and security concerns must be addressed. Managing and integrating diverse data sources can be complex. Skilled personnel and appropriate infrastructure essential. You can see in the image data security and integrity with insufficient knowledge, confusion while choosing big data handling cost, lack of coordination. Technologies, now only I told technologies enabling big data analysis. Tools like Hadoop, Hadoop and Spark facilitate large scale data processing. Cloud platforms offering scalable storage and computing power. Machine learning algorithms enable advancing predictive analysis. These are the top big data technologies and techniques. Big data, storage, analytics, mining, visualization. Data governance and ethics. Establishing data governance ensures data quality and compliance. Ethical consideration includes privacy, consent, and transparency. Responsible but data use builds the trust with stakeholders and customers. Brain data governance dimension. These are the you can see in the image. Case study: retail industry. Retail leverages big data to optimize inventory and logistics. Personalized recommendation increase sales and customer engagement. Data analytics helps identifying emerging market trends. Case study: in healthcare sectors, big data improves patient outcomes through predictive diagnostics. It supports personalized medicines and treatment plans. Data analytics streamline hospital operations and reduce cost. Future trends in big data exploitation. Integration of IoT devices will be generated more real-time data. Artificial intelligence will enhance data analysis capabilities, privacy preserving data techniques. It becomes more prominent. Future trends in big data analytics, you can see in the image. Best practices for exploiting big data. Establish clear objectives aligned with business goals. Invest in scalability infrastructure. Skilled talent. Continuously monitoring and adapt data strategies for evolving needs. These are the 8 best practices to create a winning data strategy. You can see in the image. Align data strategy with business objectives. Establish data quality and governance. Take security and compliance measure. Invest in infrastructure and technology. Have a customer centric data approach. Foster a data driven culture. Review and adapt. Be mindful of corporate social responsibility. Conclusion: exploiting big data benefits requires strategical planning and execution. It offers transformative potential across industries and functions. Organizations that harness big data effectively can achieve sustainability growth. Thank you.